Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of sitting down with James Jackson. James is running for town council in the town of Orangeville, and today is our last time sitting down with him. Thanks for being with us today, James.
No problem.
So today I wanted to talk to you, give you an opportunity to speak to the voter directly because it is our last episode. And it also, you wanted to touch a little bit about affordable housing. So maybe we can start there.
Only affordable. We obviously need affordable housing, and it's actually even shelter, is my opinion, is a big thing. That's why I wanted to bring the YMCA, and I've been working at trying to bring the YMCA into Dufferin County, not just Orangeville, but Dufferin County, because they also have some amazing programs for accessibility, for seniors, and for the youth. I want to get more involved with the youth. Things like woodworking, I've noticed within our government has taken away different things in our education. I'm a hands-on person. I used to love working with my hands. That's what I think that we need to do, is address the youth, because they're saying that they have not getting experience, not getting any work. Well, keep them busy. I know as a kid myself, I like to keep busy. So I'm all about the accessibility, I'd like to address some of the housing, because how many people are barely getting by? Like literally, that they can't even afford their rent, or it's eaten into their food. Yeah. There are some things that municipal government can do, but there's a lot of stuff that they really can't do. Rate of inflation.
So I guess to wrap up with all of the times we've had to sit down, if you wouldn't mind just telling the voter a quick summary as to why you think they should vote for you.
Because basically, I have immense drive. People are worried about with my health. Don't worry about my health. That is my problem, and I'll tackle that. I will be there for people. I am the type of person that I will answer the cry for help. That is part of what I feel is my sworn oath and duty of when I've been in my past and with my ambassadorship. I will answer that call. You have any questions, come talk to me, please. I will always have an open ear. That is the main thing that I think politicians need to do, is listen to the people that are the ones who put you into that position. It's not a job, it's an appointed position by the people, for the people. I know it sounds American, but
it works. Thanks again so much for coming in and sharing your ideas and your opinions with us. And of course, if you'd like to see more of the information and what else James has to say, do take a look at the links below. But before I let you go, I do want to urge you to utilize your democratic right. Get out, inform yourself by watching some of these videos so that you can go out and exercise that right that is very important to our democracy. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.